as a person that wrote JAMB, of course, you must have been interested in knowing the cutoff mark. So here is your cutoff mark for JAMB 2024. JAMB has not, as of this moment, JAMB has not officially given us a cutoff mark for the individual universities. But I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. You will be able to have a sense of what your cutoff mark will be like. Now, this is a breaking news that just broke few hours ago. JAMB has fixed a date to determine and announce the cutoff mark. This is the news. The Joint Administration and Matriculation Board has fixed Friday, July 18th, 2024, for the policy meeting on admissions into tertiary institutions in Nigeria, where the Minister of Education, Professor Tahir Maman, is expected to set minimum cutoff marks for the 2024 to 2025 admission cycle. So, what this basically means is that after this meeting, after this meeting on Friday, which is just a few weeks from now, 18th of July, we will now be able to know the cutoff mark for university, polytechnic, colleges of education, all the tertiary institutions in Nigeria. So this meeting on academic admissions sets the tone for any academic year admission exercise and formulation of admission guidelines. It also presents application statistics, candidates' performance evaluation, and setting the acceptable minimum admission standard for all tertiary institutions across Nigeria for the given year. Critical stakeholders at the meeting include heads of regulatory agencies such as N.H.S, National University Commission, National Board of Technical Education, NBTE, National Council for College of Education, NCCE, head of tertiary institutions in the country, and the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC. So NUC, NBTE, NCCE, and NYSC will be there in the meeting. Okay, so as a JAMB candidate, basically, just get yourself ready. As a person wanting to enter into a Nigerian university, the cutoff marks will be ready soon. If you have not seen your JAMB result or you're having any issues with your JAMB result, go over to our YouTube channel. We see a lot of videos we have done. If you're having any issues checking your result, or if you have any question on registering for result, if you want to have any question concerning WAEC and NECO, if you want to see syllabus of WAEC, NECO, or JAMB, even for the next year, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under this video and comment I've subscribed. Once I see your comment, I and my team will begin to guide you. I wish you all the best as we wait for the JAMB cutoff mark.